Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. Today let's make Pyar Mohabbat ka Sharbat, a very famous, refreshing and delicious summer drink. This is very unique drink originally found in the lanes of Old Delhi during the month of Ramadan and also in summers. So let's start making it. Deseed the watermelon and chop into very small pieces. Now blend some watermelon pieces until it turns into juice and keep this aside. And now pour 750 ml milk in a large bowl. If needed, you can add more. Sugar is optional, but I am adding 2 tablespoons sugar. Goes in half glass of watermelon juice. Give this a mix. And to this I am adding 3 tablespoons Ruh Afza. If you don't like Ruh Afza, you can replace it with rose syrup. And now I am adding diced watermelon to the milk and mix well. Add some dry rose petals, but this is optional. And to this I am adding ice cubes. Now mix until well combined. And now pour this into glasses and garnish with watermelon pieces and serve immediately. You can adjust the Ruh Afza or rose syrup as per your taste. To increase the sweetness, add more Ruh Afza or sugar if needed. Summer season and Ramadan is coming up. Watermelon season is here as well. So I thought to make this Pyar Mohabbat ka Sharbat. You too try this Sharbat at your home and let me know your reviews. Follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.